Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. If you have any questions after the call, or more importantly, more specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. So you may wonder, and I would venture to say you have wondered, what separates a top performing freight sales agent from the rest of the pack? Good question. Well, in most cases, it's because they apply a number of successful actions in their daily routine. Here's my list. Again, here's my list of the best actions of top performing freight sales agents. If your goal is to become a member of this group, a highly touted group, then perform as many of these actions as possible. Believe me, when you do that, you will see the success that you are going after and requiring and desiring. The 14th thing that successful freight sales agents and top performers do is they follow up after each initial call or the meeting, actual face-to-face meetings they have with them. So number 14 is they follow up after each initial call or their meeting. Many a sales call has been lost because a freight sales agent basically failed to follow up after the initial call. I mean, why are you going to make the call if you don't follow up? Great question, right? Well, you can't rely on your prospect or customer to call you. Trust me, they won't. The only time they'll call you is when you've built a relationship with them and they require your service. You must take this initiative, all right? Set this up during your call or your next meeting. So number 14, they follow up after each initial call or meeting. Do you have any questions about what I just went over today, or more importantly, because of what I went over today, so you can see the training that I provide, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Yes? Then give me a call. I'm Ted Keys. My number is 626-309-9141. Great talking to you today. Take care. God bless. I'll see you all again next week on my Tuesday conference call. Take care. God bless. And goodbye.